Hi investors! This is your chance to invest in Park McKinley West. Move in with just 1.8 million down payment. Plus, you can already own a condo with as low as 36,000 monthly. So Park McKinley West has a unique features. All units has balconies, tallest residential building in McKinley West Township. Only residential condominium offering one bed, perfect for startup investment. Has beautiful vertical gardens on designated levels and a rooftop deck. Only residential project with its own retail area, two-level lifestyle mall. All units are semi-furnished with smart home provisions, plus pet-friendly living. And lastly, it has flexible payment terms to make it easier for you to own dream space. Want to know more? Inquire now and schedule your actual unit viewing.